My name is Jordi Piñol Baiges. I currently work as a senior design engineer at the automotive company ARES Design, based in Modena, Italy. I have been using CATIA software for more than 20 years in the transportation industry. I'm especially proud of having been a member of the team that designed the body structure of the Ford Focus in Cologne, Germany. This was in 2007. I played also an important role on the development of the instrumental panel of the Mini Countryman in Munich for BMW Group. And finally, I would say I enjoyed especially being responsible of the design and simulation of the air ducts of the project Bugatti Chiron in Wolfsburg. All these projects were made and simulated with CATIA Applications. What I really like of CATIA is that it's constantly challenging the market, creating new applications and adapting to the needs of the most advanced companies. I think that any CAD software that wants to lead the change in the next future and become a reference for others must be focused on three things: teamwork, design automation, and integrated simulation tools. In my opinion, Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience is the best platform in the market to solve and achieve all these goals. I am very honored to be a member of the CATIA Champions Program. It is for me a nice recognition from Dassault Systèmes for the work I have been doing during the last 20 years. And it is also a great opportunity for me to be able to share knowledge and experiences with other professionals of different fields.